so you know, the BetterPress Babes will be live tomorrow night on my channel. LDRS Creative is giving away not one, but two $30 gift cards to those that watch and comment. So make sure you listen to us well, because there will be two chances to win a $30 gift card. And welcome back, my friends. Today we have the LDRS Creative release. This is the new products releasing today in the store at www.ldrscreative.com. Now, as most of you know, I offer a 15% discount code on all of your purchases, including your new release items. Now, the only time that doesn't work is when there is a store sale, like a major announcement sale, or clearance items. So definitely keep that in your back pocket to save yourself some pennies when you're interested. So I have got amazing BetterPress products to share with you. I've got a couple bundles to share with you, and then some essential items to share with you. So I'm just going to jump right in. This one here I found very, very interesting. Now, I got to choose the products that I get to work with. So that's one thing I love about the companies I work with, is that I get to choose the products. So if I don't like it, I usually don't choose it. So that's one thing I do appreciate from these companies. So this I found very, very unique. And it's called Happy Holidays Press and Foil. It is a full entire wreath with candlelight. And then it says Happy Holidays. Here's a picture, and I don't think this picture really does it justice. I think we can probably really jazz this up with our inks when we're blending and stuff. But I'm really excited to play with this one. And I will be doing videos with all of these. So be watching on my channel for that, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. But it also has this coordinating die set with double sentiment dies. So thank you, LDRS, for remembering us that have requested our sentiment dies. I was happy to see that. So on that was Happy Holidays Press and Foil. This one here is Billowing Blooms. Now this one has 3 sentiments. Thank you for being you, and thank you for everything. So, or you could just use thank you alone. And then this one has 2 flowers facing away from each other with a lot of nice little greenery also. So this would be gorgeous watercolored, I think. Or even alcohol colored. You guys know you can alcohol with BetterPress, right? You just have to ink it differently. So that's something to think about also. This might be a good one for that. Maybe that'll be the tutorial with this one, is actually showing you how to BetterPress like that. So if that's something you're interested in, leave me a comment down below. You let me know what you want to see with your BetterPress. The coordinating dies, thank you. And our outline die for this gorgeous set. So that is the Billowing Blooms. Now this is a 3-piece set. This is Pine Cone Blooms, which I also found interesting. And let's see, let me turn this over. We have a pine cone here in the middle, surrounded by florals. And it's very pretty the way they have it inked up here. I love this touch of purple. That's something I might try. I've never thought about adding a little purple in the foliage. But that's kind of interesting that they added the purple there. So I know these are digitally created, but that's just something interesting I find. But they have, let's see, a 6 layering stencil set. Let's see here. Okay, so they have the step-by-step guide right back here. Oh, and there is a stencil layering guide on the inside. Let me open this and see what that means, so we can see what it looks like. Because that's something I think it would be nice to see. I like details. So let's... Oh yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Oh, and look, it gives you an idea of what colors might be good too. That gives you these colors if you want to do it like that. So they're using Miss Periwinkle and Plum Crazy for the plumage there. Okay, very interesting. I like that they use the little boy blue too, that light blue color. So okay, that's awesome that they're doing that. Love that. So then you have the outline dies. So all 3 sets go together for beautiful coordination. Now this sweet little set here, I am excited to see embossing folders. This is a 3D embossing folder, Sweet Magnolias. We have the coordinating stamps, and look at these sentiments. Sending very special hugs your way. Wishing every happiness. You are loved, and I'm lucky to have a friend like you. I will say it and say it until I'm blue in the face. LDRS Creative has the most classy sentiments. They're not just thank you, thinking of you, hello. I mean, which are all great sentiments, granted, but sometimes you want something special. You want something different. You want some classy fonts. You know, and these are not just, you know, be happy or something. You know, wishing you every happiness. Sending very special hugs your way. I mean, these are nice, really well thought out sentiments. And I believe we have the dies. So yes, all 4 of those have dies. Both blooms have dies as well. And we have stencils. So this is a 4-pack set. And this should coordinate with both. Let's check and make sure. I believe with both embossing folder and stamp set. So let's just see if this is going to coordinate with the embossing folder, because we know it coordinates with the stamp set, but let's see here. Oh yeah, that's perfect match. So it definitely coordinates with the embossing folder as well. I cannot wait to play with this one. I have not done a lot of that. I think there's a Simon Hurley's Tulips I did it with, and I don't have a lot like this. So a floral, oh my gosh, I cannot wait. This is going to be a good one. So I hope there are bundle pricings on these, and that will be so much fun. Look at these design ideas that they give you. Look at this, guys, using this sentiment inside. And I haven't even shown you the foundation dies yet. Beautiful. Look, they used these back here in the background. Nice size sentiment. And then stenciled and die cut that. Aren't those beautiful? Just gorgeous ideas inside your fold out instructions. Love that. Now that's inside the stenciling there. I love that they're doing that. So for the foundation items that I chose to play with, I got this 3D embossing folder. It is called Perfect Petals. And I just thought that would be really pretty for techniques or just dainty backgrounds. I like to do something like this in just white and then have your flowers or your blooms and stuff just pop on top. I love that. So then we have a whole bunch of new shapes. We have hand-torn squares, hand-torn circles. I love that these go real small so we can do sentiments in them too. I think that's what we saw on the other one. Look at this. This is going to coordinate with our other arches. Hand-torn arches. Yes, plays well with Arch Builder Impression, press and foil plates, Arch Spotlight stencils, Arch Nesting dies, Arch Hello Impression dies, Arch's Thank You Impression dies, and Arch's Celebrate Impression dies. So if you have already gotten those, both of these, look at the scallop stitch. Look at that. Oh, I love this. Angie, if you are watching this, girl, you have done amazing. This is just gorgeous. Angie, if you don't know, is the owner of LDRS Creative, guys. But this is just beautiful. This is just going to be gorgeous. So then there's this one called Mix Scallop Rectangles. And this is interesting. You've got a large scallop, then 2 smaller scallops, then another large, then a small, and then a tag to be able to do a sentiment in. So that's nice. Then we have this larger hand-torn ovals. Now this looks like this could go as large as a 5x7. Let me measure. Let me go ahead and measure this large one, unless it gives us measurements. No. Okay, so let me take this out and measure this for you 5x7 lovers out there. Use my glass mat here. It is, yes, guys, this is perfect for 5x7. This is a little over 6.5 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide. This is going to be perfect for layering your 5x7s. Oh, check it out. That is awesome. In one of our BetterPress Babe lives events, we did ask Angie when she was live with us to see about possibly bringing us more 5x7 items. And, you know, she might be listening. So this might be, you know, a hint of more to come. So let's hope, because I love my 5x7s too. And I hear you guys. I hear that that is what some of my followers like as well. So this is the new collection. There is more even. So make sure you check out the website. Again, my coupon code is Melanie15. So do not forget that at checkout every time you shop. So you can definitely see if there's a discount for you out there. So it's not a one-time thing. It's every time. So I hope that helps you and benefits you in the long run anytime you're shopping at LDRS Creative. Thank you so much. And LDRS Creative is the sponsor of the BetterPress Babe Live this month. The BetterPress Babe Live will be tomorrow night. And we will have two $30 gift card winners for people that watch and comment. So make sure you come and join us tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Standard Central Time. And you might get lucky enough to win you $30 to shop with this new release. So come back here on my channel and we will see you in the upcoming show. Thank you so much. Those links are all down below. If there's anything you need, feel free to ask me questions. I am here for you to craft life together. Have a great day, my friends. Bye-bye for now.